Good morning, scholars. Today we are going to learn about math doubles. What are math doubles? Doubles are, and I wrote it here, math facts where we add the same number to itself. Doubles are math facts where we add the same number to itself. So here I have two empty dice. We're going to fill those in. We're going to make a number sentence, and we're going to come up with the sum of the number sentence. And if you recall, a sum is when we add two numbers together, what we end up with. We end up with the sum of two numbers when we add. So what we'll do today is look at dice. This book has two dice here. And since doubles are the same number, adding it to itself, we're going to find the numbers that are the same. So we have 3 and 3. These are the same, right? Does it look like we're seeing double? Yes, because we are. So a double is 3 and 3. A double could be 1 and 1. A double might be 5 and 5. A double is 6 and 6. Any number that is the exact same is considered a double. And that's all it is. It's that simple. But what you're going to notice is there's going to be patterns that we can notice when we are adding and making number sentences. So let's pick a number. We'll start with 1. 1 plus 1. So Miss Brooks is going to draw on the chart here, right there, where this space is for my dice. I'm going to draw one big green dot and another big green dot. Okay, 1 and 1. So then I'm going to write it in my number sentence. 1 plus 1, and we know when we see that plus sign, that means we're going to join together two numbers. In this case, we're joining doubles. 1 plus 1. I think we can figure that out. We can count with our fingers. 1 plus 1. What do we end up with? 2. One die plus another die, or dot, equals 2 dots. So I'm going to come in here to where it says sum, and I'm going to write number 2. That's how I've added the doubles 1 and 1. Okay? Now, let's erase and try again. This time we'll pick another number. And actually, I think I'll leave this here so we can see the pattern that happens. And I'll draw another blank line for my next number sentence. So let's just go to the next number in line, which is number 2. On my dice, I'm finding 2 and 2. And this one has a little mark on it, but we'll ignore that. 2 plus 2. Doubles are 2 and 2. So let's color those in on our dice chart. I'll turn the camera. We're going to get an orange marker. And we're going to color 1, 2 dice, 2 dots on that dice, and 2 on that one. And they're going to have to be diagonal, the same position, because they're doubles. We're seeing doubles. So 2 and 2. So then, of course, for my number sentence, I'm going to write numbers 2 plus 2. And then I know already 2 plus 2 equals how many? If I'm not sure, I can always go back and count my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. That's a double. Are you getting the hang of this? Yeah, I figured you would. Now, the good thing about math, it's always fun to draw and sort of manipulate objects like our dice, because it really helps all the concepts to sink into our brains. And it helps us remember what to do when we see it on paper or the computer for our assessments. So that's why Miss Brooks likes to show you and draw pictures of all of our math concepts whenever possible. So our last dice, I want you to try and think about it on your own, okay? The numbers are going to be 3. 3 and 3. 3 and 3 are doubles. So on your paper, draw 3 on one dice and 3 on the other. And I am going to draw it on my dice. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make a number sentence here. Blank plus blank equals blank. And now all I do is fill it in. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 equals, I'm not sure. I can always count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a total of 6 dots. That makes my total sum 6. Now, as Miss Brooks was sharing with you, when we write and draw, sometimes we can see other math concepts forming. For example, you might notice that if we look at the sum, 2, 4, 6 of all these, they are in order. They're showing a repeating pattern. Think for your brain, which repeating pattern are you seeing in our sums of each number sentence? 2, 4, 6. Right. If you're thinking these are counting by twos, you're right. That's showing a pattern. So just an interesting fact. Hope you enjoyed learning how to count by doubles. We're going to count more doubles right now. So let's practice.